Today I'm going to Trestles Beach. It's a little hidden beach that you have to take a trail to. And apparently it's a popular surfing spot as well. So we'll see what footage we can get out here. I'm gonna try to shoot in D-Log M and color grade the footage, but keep in mind I've never done this before, so I don't know how good it's gonna look, but we gotta try our hand at it. It's a little windy, so I hope that doesn't affect the drone too much, but yeah, guess we'll see. There are a lot of surfers here for sure. Pretty much only surfers, other than me. And they got these cool little huts up and down the beach. I think I'm gonna set up right here on this bench. And yeah, let's try to get some shots. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Until next time.